Feds asked judge to deny Adams' request to toss bribery case. Manhattan federal prosecutors in a Friday court filing rebuffed Mayor Eric Adams' attempt to throw out one of the 5 criminal charges leveled against him last month. In the legal process filed by the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York on October 18, federal prosecutors argued that the alleged conduct in the indictment does, in fact, constitute bribery, despite arguments in the contrary by Adams' legal team. The mayor is accused of soliciting and accepting foreign gifts, including free or discounted flight upgrades and luxury hotel rooms in exchange for helping hasten fire approvals for a Manhattan skyscraper on behalf of the Turkish government in 2021. Prosecutors further argue all they needed to do was clearly inform Adams in the indictment of the charges against him in order to go to trial, which they say they did. Count 5 describes a quid pro quo in which Adams sought and took luxury travel from a foreign official in exchange for influencing New York City's regulation of a Manhattan skyscraper. The filing reads, court consistently finds such allegations sufficient to demand trial before a jury. Moreover, Adams' legal arguments contradict precedent, and his factual assertions stray far afield. Additionally, they stated that while Adams and his legal team had painted his alleged actions as standard among politicians, that does not mean they are not illegal. Adams claimed that accepting tens of thousands of dollars worth of benefits in exchange for pressuring a city agency is routine and common, prosecutors wrote. But however routine that may have been for Adams, the law permits a jury to conclude that it was nonetheless illegal. Adams pleaded not guilty to charges of bribery, soliciting foreign campaign donations, and bribery last month. The latest legal papers from federal prosecutors came in response to a filing from Adams' celebrity attorney Alex Spiro, submitted late last month. Spiro's filing sought to have the bribery charge, one of the 5 leveled against the mayor on September 26, tossed on the basis that the alleged misconduct described in the indictment did not rise to the level of bribery under federal law. In their filing, prosecutors also pushed back on Spiro's assertion that Adams accepted gratitudes and not bribes, and that his conduct is typical of what any politician. Adams' attorneys will have a week to respond to both motions, with all parties due back in court for an October 30th conference. Spiro could not immediately be reached for comment. That's all I have to say for this video.